Feeling broke and overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I am Richie, and today I'm sharing a simple and practical way to budget when your income is zero or very limited. It's called the Zero Income Plan, an easy step-by-step method that works even if money is tight. The first step is knowing where you stand financially. Grab a notebook, open a notes app, or use a budgeting tool. Write down any money you currently have, whether it's cash, savings, or help from friends or family. List your basic expenses like rent, groceries, transportation, and utilities. Even if your income is zero, knowing your expenses helps you plan. For example, let's say your rent is $500, groceries cost $200, and your phone bill is $50. That totals $750. Now, break your expenses into two categories. Needs. Things you must have to survive, like food, shelter, and transportation. Wants. Non-essential things like eating out or streaming subscriptions. When money is tight, focus on your needs first. For example, if you have $200 in your account, you can allocate $100 for groceries and $100 toward rent. If you don't have enough to cover your basics, it's time to get creative. Look for short-term income opportunities like freelancing or part-time work. Sell things you don't need, like old clothes, gadgets, or furniture. Reach out to trusted friends or family for temporary help, but borrow responsibly. Remember, these are short-term fixes to bridge the gap until you're back on your feet. A bare-bones budget focuses only on the essentials. Let's say you find $800 to work with. Rent, $500. Groceries, $200. Utilities, $100. This gives every dollar a job, leaving no room for unnecessary spending. Even when money is tight, try saving a little, just $5 or $10 toward an emergency fund. These small wins build financial security over time. If you pay off a small debt or save on an expense, celebrate that progress. It motivates you to keep going. Being broke doesn't mean you're stuck forever. By understanding your situation, prioritizing your needs, and planning creatively, you can take control of your finances, even with zero income. Remember, tough times don't last, but smart decisions do. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more budgeting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.